Hello to all, my name is Antonella, Doctor in Science, PhD. I am at NIA at the Bank of the European Union with a simple answer to a common question of our modern scenario. This is the answer of the public speech did it by Eminem on TV media on 23rd October, some days after his birthday. Many of my very good wishes. If I can say that my condition is a complete understand of the law wherever. I like your song title Fly Away. Possibly we can speak about in the idea to be more near in the future of now. If you want to speak, please call before the leader Meloni at the main webpage of the Brother of Italy. Thank to all in the European Union. Well, the question is, what extent is climate change a result of human activities? The aim of this argumentative great essay is one exploration of the earth with a large rational point of view, where the climate change argumentation based by truth is main theme for the simplification of the general considerable major idea. Climate impact of atmospheric climatizes history, health green paradigm. At this time, as is very uncommon, find one leader against the green economy. The reason behind this global choice is the priority of our human health and the protection of our natural environment that guarantee to us a high quality of living the modern era that has started with the last glacial maximum. However, the opponent influencer does not believe that humans are responsible, and they address to the atmospheric natural development the control of effect on our planet. In fact, the world weather, particularly an increase in CO2 emissions thought to be caused by toxins, for example, nitrous oxides in the atmosphere. The world climate indicates a sum of atmospheric elements at a particular location in a long period of time. In fact, the Earth is influenced by all climatizes in addition to other connections for the unknown development of our planet. As you know, the independent advisor body with the committee to assess the condition of climate in the United Kingdom. This is possibly caused by the effect of emission CO2 in the air for three main hazards. For example, chemical pollutants,